Hello friends, this is Prince William. This is my 8th experiment for the data structures lab. In this experiment, I have to demonstrate the merge and quick sort. So for that, for the first merge sort, I have created a function merge one, and I have created another merge function merge sort, which I am calling in the main function. So in merge sort, basically we are breaking an array into two, so that we can compare both all the elements present in the both the array separately, and we can keep that in the ascending order. After sorting, we can then again put merge it back into one array. That will be the result, the output of this merge sort. So for that, I am using here while loop. So for every for like I'm assigning the first element of the array left, and the last element of the array right, and mid element that will be left plus right by 2. So I'm creating two separate arrays by breaking it, like for from left to middle and middle plus 1 to right, and I will be sorting those two arrays separately, and then after sorting will then again those two arrays will be merged into one. So that's why here merge sort has a recursive function. So because in after breaking an array into two, again this array that has been broken again, that will be broken into two. So like that, every time the merge sort will call itself. So here recursion takes place. Now in quicksort what happens, assigning the first element as pivot element, and I am comparing all the rest of the elements with the pivot. So according to this condition, if this is the pivot is less than the number, then it will be swapped, and swap function follows that. And the here j is returned, that is I'm swapping with the element j. So the index of that number, that is j, is returned. And here there is a function called partition, where I am doing this, and this has been called in the another function quicksort. So here quicksort also is a recursive function, as it is calling itself. So the value of j which has been returned here is passed to p, and this p is again used in calling as an argument for the quicksort function. And now in the main function, I have used here switch case. So for first case, I'm calling merge sort function, and for second case, I'm calling quicksort function. So let us run the code and see. So as I said, it is asking enter the size of the array. So I'm entering size like 4. I have to enter the array. So here it is asking whether you want to do in merge sort or quicksort. First I will show you merge sort. So here 2, 12, 43 and 56, here the elements have been sorted in the ascending order. Now I want to show you the quicksort arrangement. So for quicksort, again it has been sorted to 13, 43, then 45. Thank you for watching my video.